Alright, so get ready for your handle. All you got to do, just roll this out till kind of looks like a carrot or something. Bounce around like that. No big deal. Like that. You have it ready. You want to go and start squeezing it out. Like that. Pull it out. Turn it around. Pull it. Turn it around. Pull it. Now when you're making these handles, you want to make sure that you twist it, because you can see by the shape of your hand, it naturally wants to make it smaller on that side and larger on this side, because that's how the hand shapes, right? So you want to flip it around, even it out. Just keep flipping it around, flipping it around. Get it nice and long, consistent, until you start to see the handle, and you can see that we're getting there. Just take it, fingers run down it like that, just to give it a little ridge, like that, and just let it sit there. Or, a better thing to do here at this point, I think, because we're going to make another handle. So cut it up high, and you can just take it, set it on your wear board like that. Always touch behind the handle too. You don't want to touch on top of it, because it'll just mess up that nice slick thing that we just got going. Now we're going to make a really small one for the lid here.